Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Candice and today I'm going to be playing with the new Beauty Bay Age of Opulence palette, and today I created this look right here using this palette. So if that's something that you would like to see, please continue watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So going into my first shade, which is Curfew, I'm going to start by popping that into the crease of my eye and then going round in sort of a semicircle shape and just patting that in. So you're going to spend quite a bit of time now blending these two colours in together, just going back and forth between Lavish and Curfew and just getting a really good blend. Now with the shade Hope, I'm going to go and blend that into Lavish and up towards my brow. And as you can see, you're going to spend a lot of time blending these two colours together. So you just want to work in really small sections to begin with, just blending nice small circular movements and going across the eye and just really building that pigment up. Keep dipping back into Hope and building it up and reblending. And then as you get into blending that, you can then go back into Lavish and build your colours up. So you're going to work back down again, go from Hope to Lavish to Curfew and then back up again. And you're going to keep doing this until you get the amount of pigment that you want and the blend that you want. So now on to cutting our crease. I'm going to start by stamping the crease that I want out with Vaseline and then wiping away with a spatula and a makeup wipe. So doing this technique will remove all that eyeshadow underneath and give you a nice crisp line when you go over with the P. Louise paints. So once I've done this, I then wrap a makeup wipe around a metal makeup spatula and then just wipe it down. You want to be really gentle with this if you're using a spatula. And then if there's any excess, I go over with a cotton bud. Now going into Kylie Cosmetics eyeliner, I've just used that to underline my eyes. And then going back in with the P. Louise base of 2.5, I'm going to just go underneath my eyes. And now to go and do my under eye, I'm going into the shade Curfew. and then Lavish, and then Hope. So using the same three colours that I used in my crease. So now using Blank Canvas by P. Louise, I'm going to stamp that on into a cut crease. But as I'm only doing a spotlight eye, I'm just going to start off in the centre and then bring it down and pat it in. So now using a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend those edges out, and then I'm going to go back into the shades Curfew, Lavish and Hope and just apply them sort of in a V shape. So we're going to use Curfew on the inner corner and outer edges, then blend that into Lavish, and then using in the centre using Hope. So then you'll have the lightest colour in the centre, and you want to keep going back and forth between those three colours until you're happy with the blend. Using the NYX glitter glue, I'm just going to pat that onto the centre of my eyelid, and then I'm going to go into Peaches and Cream Mermaid's pigment and really gently pat that on. And as you can see, it's such a beautiful pigment. It's like got a different sheen to it, but it just brings out the centre of my eye. And then using a glitter eyeshadow from Be Perfect Cosmetics. This one's called Stars. It's like a silver one. It's a Glamour Glitter Liquid eyeshadow. I've had it a while now. I'm just going to pop that right on the centre of that cut crease. And then I'm going to apply Kyma Cosmetics Typhoon, which is like a bit of a flake to it, just in the centre. Just to bring some more dimension into the glitter. Now going in with foundation, I'm using L'Oreal's Fresh Water Foundation, the shade 140. And I'm applying that with a foundation brush, like a mask to begin with, all over. And then I'm going to blend that in with my beauty sponge. Now going in with NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer, I think in the shade Vanilla. I'm just going to apply this to the areas that I want light. So underneath my eyebrows, at the top of my nose, forehead and my chin and my Cupid's bow. And then using the same beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go into Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in the shade Caramel. And I'm going to use that to start lightly bronzing my face and contouring it. Powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier Celestial Light. and I'm just lightly tapping that underneath my eyes and then all over my face as well, just to keep that makeup locked in so it's not moving anywhere. And then I will go in with the MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer and just go over where I put that cream contour. For blush today, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Kitten Baby. And then for highlight, I'm using the MAC Soft and Gentle. And I'm just applying that to my eye points and the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. For lip liner, I'm using P. Louise lip liner in the shade Achievement. And then for lips, I'm using a Natasha Denona lipstick in the shade 30MP Maria in I Need Nude. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. And then we're all done. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give it a good thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, see you next week, bye.